What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. If you aren't a subscriber yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. So I'm back here with my Ford F150. It's a 2018 XLT 2.7 liter. And one of the things that I wanted to do right away on this truck was black out the badges. So I haven't washed the truck in a couple of weeks, maybe a couple of months, but I wanted to show you what those badges look like because I actually Plasti Dipped them back in January. I Plasti Dipped all the badges, and I just wanted to show you they've held up really well, and I'm really happy with it. So if you take your time and prep it, they end up looking great. And so I would recommend anybody who's wanting to do that, head over to your local Walmart and grab a couple of cans of Plasti Dip, and you'll be set. It gives the truck a whole different look. It's blacked out. It's easy. I think the can of Plasti Dip's like $5 or $6, and it's such a simple thing to do. And I would recommend if you're looking for that, you can buy the emblems. They have them on Amazon. I'll put a link below. I've been thinking about getting the emblems, but it's held up so well, and I just don't know if it's worth it at this point. If it starts to peel, maybe, but right now I'm pretty happy with the way it looks. And the truck itself, you know, I'm really pleased. I installed the Morimoto headlights. I installed the Ford Raptor grille, and those things just make a big difference. In one of the upcoming videos, I'm actually going to be installing the Morimoto fog lights to match the headlights. So enjoy the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. The Plasti Dip is such an easy thing to do. It took me an hour to let things dry properly and recoat and let things dry and coat again. But a little bit of patience, a little bit of elbow grease, and yeah, the logos look awesome. So if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe if it's something you're into. Hit that smash button, and I'll be back with more videos here on the channel.